Hip-hop.
Hier. Oké. Laten we even afspreken. In de zak zitten vele voorwerpen. Je neemt 5 voorwerpen uit de zak. Je freestelt erover. En that's it. Oké? Then next MC. Samurai ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead, bro.
Hey yo, I'm kind of dizzy, but let me proceed. I got this song on for dope hip hop. I smoke weed. Alright. I got this bag in front of me. It's nice, and it's a can. About to roll the dice. No, that's a game. I might play it on the wall, and you might think that it's cool, but not at all. Cause I'm not really a graffiti artist or a writer. I'm a dope MC, and you know that I'm a fighter. So I try and put it back in the bag, and I might eat this. I didn't rhyme, but I put it back. My face is not whack. I might look a little weird. It would be even cooler if I had a long beard and maybe a turban, but then I might have special service calling like, hey man, there's a weird guy in the bar and I think we might shoot him down because he is going far. So let me go on. God damn it. That is so strong it's slipping in my hands 2 times. And again, what is wrong with this? It's too small to comprehend. Oh, it's a fork. Yeah, I can't say shit about this. I am a dork. I don't eat with this. I am an old guy, an old school with his hands. Yeah, you know, an old fry. Word. Check it, a necklace. Best direct shit. I get this. Don't sweat this like my t-shirt. I see birds in the sky flying high. Not true, but it rhymes, and sometimes I'm crazy inside.
Alright, let's give it up to Samurai.